Okay guys, let's do the 101st problem at Leetcode. Symmetric tree. Given a binary tree, check whether it is a mirror of itself. For example, the given tree which is symmetric, so it's a mirror image. The other one it isn't. Bonus point if you can solve it recursively and iteratively. So first let's get to it recursively. So let's get started. If root is equal to null, then we'll return true because a null tree is of course symmetric. Otherwise, we are going to check if root left dot val is not equal to root right dot val. In that case, we are going to return false. Otherwise, we are going to go in and return okay. Uh, we'll have to create another function helper. Let's get rid of this condition. This will come in the helper function. Helper will get the root dot left root dot right. Okay, so boolean helper left comma right. Okay, so if left is not equal to this will come later. First we'll have to check if uh, left is equal to null and right is equal to null. In that case, return true. If left is equal to null or right is equal to null, in that case, return false. So what we are saying that we have filtered out the cases in which both can be equal to null. So then either one is if either one is null, then we of course don't have a symmetric tree. Plus, if left value is not equal to right's value, then we'll return false. Otherwise, we will return helper left left comma right right and helper left right comma right left. Let's run this. True, submit. Okay, now with the iterative solution. Let's copy our base function. The first condition holds true. Now we will create a stack. Now you guys have to, we are going level by level. We are going to check if each level is symmetric or not. So that requires what? That requires test first search, right? Sorry, breadth first search. Because we cannot do a depth first search uh, because of reasons. Okay, so let's have a stack. Stack will be of three. Sorry, stack is equal to new stack tree node. Even though we are using a stack, yeah, it's a nice technique that we're gonna use. So we are going to take a stack and push uh, root right and dot push root left. Now we have pushed right first and left near second. So we have to keep that in mind. So while stack empty not, we have to go inside the stack, and what we are going to do is create a tree node uh, to which which we are going to pop from the stack. So guys, left was uh, pushed last, so left will come out first. Right is equal to stack dot pop. Now what we have to do is if left sorry stack dot size mod 2 is not equal to 0. That means it doesn't have even number of item inside it. Then of course we have an odd number of nodes, and odd number of nodes cannot be symmetric. So then we'll just return false. And otherwise we're just gonna check if l.val is not equal to right.val, then I'm going to return false. Otherwise I'm going to push. I'm going to go to the stack and push L left then R right basically in the same order we gave in the recursive solution. We will push stuff you know, one by one in our stack. L dot write stack dot push uh, r dot left, and that's it. This will go on. If this doesn't create any problem, then we'll just return true. Let's run the code. 29 line. Okay. If left is equal to null and r is equal to null, then return, then continue. Otherwise, if left is equal to null or right is equal to null, then return false. The same condition we used above. Okay, true, true, works. Let's submit this. Okay, guys. So that's iterative and recursive.